Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make the Toyota Supra sound with your mouth. First, create a small, firm O shape with your lips, almost like you're about to whistle. Next, ensure your tongue is completely flat and relaxed at the bottom of your mouth. Then gently exhale a consistent, even stream of air through the small opening you've created. This initial step is crucial for setting up the foundational tone of the engine's distinct hum. Now let's add the iconic turbo whine. As you continue to exhale, slowly increase the pressure of the air leaving your mouth. Simultaneously, subtly tighten your lip O shape. This will naturally raise the pitch, mimicking the turbocharger spooling up. Aim to sustain this rising whine for about 2 to 3 seconds, creating a realistic and engaging engine effect. Practice this transition for a smooth, authentic sound. To replicate the blow-off valve, you need a quick, sharp release. Immediately after the turbo whine, abruptly stop the airflow by pressing your tongue against the roof of your mouth, creating a distinct TSS or PSSH sound. This sudden interruption of air mimics the pressure being released from the turbo system. The timing is key here, aiming for a crisp, instantaneous sound that follows the whine within 1/2 second. Finally, let's put it all together for the full Supra engine sound. Start with the low hum, transition smoothly into the rising turbo whine, and then finish with the sharp blow-off valve sound. Practice this sequence repeatedly, focusing on the transitions between each element. Adjust your lip tension and tongue position as needed to achieve a clear, powerful, and realistic engine impression. With practice, you'll master this impressive vocal feat.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.